In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop Google from asking to save passwords on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome application. You can see over here it has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. What you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for passwords and autofill. Simply find the option for Google Password Manager and tap on it. Now you can see over here, Google Password Manager will be opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like accounts, checkup and settings. Simply tap on the settings option. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. At first, you'll be able to find the option for offer to save passwords. Right now it is toggled on. So what you have to do is simply toggle it off. Simply tap on the button in order to toggle it off. Now after you do that, Google will no longer offer to save the passwords. So that is how you stop Google from asking to save passwords on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.